talk to y'all a little bit about how to get more blooms from your summer annuals, and it's using a technique called pinching or heading off. So what I have right here is a cosmos, and you can see I've got some behind me and in front of me. These taller cosmos were planted about 3 weeks before these little guys were. So these were started from seeds as transplants, and then we transplanted them out into the garden about 3 weeks ago. They haven't gotten a lot of growth on them yet, but it's time to do our pinching so that we can ensure that we get more branching from this primary stem. So if I allowed this plant to grow without pinching, it would eventually begin to branch on its own, but it would take a lot longer to get those additional branches. So we're just trying to speed up the process a little bit by sacrificing the first cut to promote branching so that we can get sequential cuts, okay? So you can see here the ones behind me have been pinched. They were pinched about 10 days after they were planted, and then you can see some significant branching 3 to 4 weeks after that happened. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So what you want to do is identify your nodes. And a node is where leaves grow out of the main stem. So there's a node here. We see another node right here. We see a node here. And it goes on up the plant. So in this particular situation, I want to leave about 2 to 3 healthy nodes, and I'm going to count up 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make my cut right above the node, and I'm going to take out this top part of the plant, okay? So we're removing this to encourage branching from where we made the cut. I can already see 2 side branches that are starting to grow from that node. You can see one here, one there. We're going to get 2 here. We're going to get 2 at this node. We're going to get 2 at that node. So now I went from 1 primary stem and then potentially some branching later in the season to 6 primary stems, all from making 1 cut.